Hi everyone, my name is Ross Bagurdes and welcome to my course, Building, Configuring, and Implementing ACLs, or Access Control Lists. I'm a network engineer with more than 20 years experience building enterprise networks and teaching people about them. Access control lists are one of a network engineer's greatest tools to manipulate traffic flow on a network. Understanding ACLs will allow you to manage a network, contain malicious traffic, and restrict access to devices and services. In this course, we will learn about standard and extended access control lists and how they can be applied to interfaces and other functions on a router. By the end of this course, you'll be able to use Wireshark to build and implement an access control list, as well as having a method to troubleshoot ACLs that are not functioning as desired. Before beginning this course, you should definitely be familiar with IP addressing, packet headers, TCP and UDP segments and their headers, as well as how packets are routed through a network, which you can all learn in previous courses in the CCNA learning path. After you complete this course, you should feel comfortable diving into the Network Address Translation course. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn standard and extended access control lists with the Building, Configuring, and Implementing ACLs course at Pluralsight.